Additive manufacturing is not evolving the same way everywhere. At TCT Asia 2026, one thing becomes immediately clear. This is a different world with different rules. China's additive manufacturing ecosystem is growing fast, but more importantly, it is growing differently. Across the aisles of Hall 7.1, entirely dedicated to metal, the familiar frontrunners, Farsoon, BLTE plus 3D, etc., no longer looked like low-cost alternatives. They were setting the pace: multi-laser synchronization, large format productivity, build volumes that are sometimes difficult to match in the West. The applications on display reinforce that argument and confirmed without surprise that powder bed fusion remains the dominant metal AM process in the region. Seeing these frontrunners at home hit differently. It was as if they had gained a new power, a new gravity. And seeing them alongside others with booths just as large, companies whose names were difficult to read for someone unfamiliar with Chinese characters, made two things clear. The Asian market is so vast that it is enough to grow a serious business. You can easily spot those who are open to international expansion by the way they communicate. A deliberate blend of English and Chinese, in signage, in conversation, in attitude. There is also a strong sense of acceleration. More machines, more configurations, more competition, all contributing to faster iterations and shorter development cycles. Rather than following established models, this ecosystem is shaping its own approach, one where speed, scalability, and ecosystem control matter just as much as precision.